Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet to make an account and earn money online. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. It is crucial to carefully write down your 12-word recovery phrase and store it securely offline. This phrase is your only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Finally, set up a strong passcode or enable biometric authentication for daily access. Once your wallet is set up, you will need to fund it. You can easily purchase cryptocurrency directly within the app using a debit or credit card, with transactions often completing in minutes. Alternatively, you can transfer existing crypto from another exchange or wallet. Always double-check that you are sending funds to the correct Trust Wallet address and selecting the appropriate network to prevent any loss of assets. Trust Wallet supports over 1 million assets. Now, let's explore how to potentially earn with your Trust Wallet. Many cryptocurrencies support staking, allowing you to earn rewards by holding them directly in your wallet. You can also connect to various decentralized finance, or DeFi, protocols to participate in lending or liquidity pools. Always conduct thorough research on any project before committing your funds. Some staking options can offer annual percentage yields of 5% or more. But remember, all investments carry risk. Security is paramount when managing your digital assets. Always keep your 12-word recovery phrase offline and in a secure, private location, never sharing it with anyone. Enable all available security features within the app, such as transaction signing. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts and only interact with trusted decentralized applications. Finally, regularly update your Trust Wallet application to benefit from the latest security enhancements and features, protecting your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.